So if I sell this amount from when people just click a link from YouTube, I could make this much in just 1 month. If that's true, I probably should hand in my resignation letter like tomorrow. Because if I add this somewhat secret but free method from even the very first video upload, those sales numbers could probably even double. But wait, let me just explore this first. So the reason why I really like this is because there is no reason to have to wait on being monetized by YouTube. This method makes it possible to make money from day one. And it's also how I started to make an income on this channel. And that's by one of you lovely viewers looking at a video and found a useful tool. And so that's the case for this affiliate product that you saw at the beginning of this video, where I would have gone through the process of creating the content for that health related video on another channel. So what I'm going to do is setting this system up for free forever and even using AI to help build that trust in the early stages. So this is system.io. This is the tool that we'll be using to create the landing page. So when somebody clicks a link from the YouTube description, it's going to take them to a page like one of these here, whereby they'll just click the big button on the page, provide their email address, and then get access to the PDF. And so believe it or not, all of those things that we're talking about there, all of that can be done with the free plan. And so I'm looking forward to not spending any money, at least at this time. And that's really because everything that we need to get done is available in the free plan right now, as well as the mini document that I'll be creating. All of the information that goes in there will be created automatically with ChatGPT with a free plan. So right before we get into how you're setting up the system over on System.io, for the strategy, I need to find a product. And so I'm picking a product based on the type of video I made, which is along the lines of having a healthy gut. So it only makes sense to find something closely related to that, because this should increase the chances of making money as soon as possible, having a closely related product to the video. So based on that, it only makes sense to do a Google search for health-related affiliate programs and products. I did find some helpful ones right here, like the Healthy Gut Affiliate Program. I might not be a doctor, but I'm thinking that makes sense for a patient. Seeing here that this program earns 20% on digital book sales, simple to register for. What I'm liking so far, without even clicking the website, is that you can receive bi-monthly payments. So it's not just a one-off sale. There's another one here just on supplements and a long list, even a list of related gut health affiliate programs. But what I'm thinking is, just for simplicity, I'm going to see what's available over on ClickBank, where there is a lot of affiliate products. It's really easy just to grab the affiliate link, move on. After I searched for gut health, found this product here, Neotonics, whereby how much affiliate commission you can earn. That information is not easily available here. However, after doing a little bit more research, I found this information regarding the commissions, and that the average could range between 15 to 25%. So that means if you sell something for like $100, you can make roughly $15 to $25 for that one sale. So just like that, I'm going to proceed with this product, which is a supplement. And on this page, I can easily grab my affiliate ID here. Make sure to get that by going to the TSL, which is the sales page. What I'm really liking about this, especially since it said around 15 to 25% is the average commission. According to ClickBank, the average conversion, meaning the amount that somebody would buy on average, is $121. And so based on that, I already have a healthy feeling in my gut about this. So I'll head straight over to ChatGPT here when I'm asking for a YouTube video about ways on improving gut health. Provide 5 simple PDFs that's closely related that will give the viewer an opportunity to get more help. And according to ChatGPT, a gut-friendly meal plan, gut health checklist for daily habits, foods to eat and avoid for better gut health. These are all things that somebody can download and have it easily accessible on their mobile device. And while I was thinking of which one I should go ahead and get started on, I saw here that ChatGPT told me that they'll just go ahead and generate these PDFs now. I won't complain. We'll just pick one of them to provide as the PDF for that video. And just like that, I have 5 PDFs already. That is what it took to create the PDFs. I know you were expecting something else, but sorry, this is just a lot easier. But let's be real, while this is convenient, we want this system, this process to be really effective. So what I'll still do is go ahead and ask ChatGPT to create a detailed PDF guide for number two. By number two, as they're talking about gut health, as for number two, this number two right here, just thought I'll make that clear. One of the main things is the cover. What I'm going to do to create that cover is by taking this title, asking ChatGPT to generate an AI image for this title, Gut Health Checklist. I'll just simply put that at the front of the PDF. This is what the PDF looks like. So I'll be pretty much just modifying this and putting a proper cover. Yes, it can be refined to remove things like these hashtags or number signs. You just need to give it that request, that prompt. So in creating the cover, detailed image prompt based on the title, Gut Health Checklist. Ensure the prompt has a high curiosity sparking factor. I'm sure there was an easier way of saying that. I just don't know how. And there you have it. I really like this cover they provided for the PDF. Of course, in most cases with AI, text generated in the image is not best. So I'll just make some slight modifications to the script for that. Or I can just remove it and trim it in Canva. What I'll do next is basically just reattach the same Gut Health Checklist PDF that was generated. Again, note to using the attached PDF, add the image as the PDF cover. Let's see if ChatGPT is smart enough to do that. And if not, it's also very easy to do that in something like Canva, which you can also use for free. Download it, and there we have it. It did exactly what I told it to do. So there's some tweaking to happen there again. But still, this really took no effort to create this PDF. And so the next thing we're going to create, seeing that we already have the PDF, is the web page, just one page, a landing page, where I'm going to offer the PDF for free with just the click of one button on that page. So you can try this along with me for free with the first link in the description below. Once you sign up, come up to Sales Funnels. When I hit create, the first thing I have to do is name the funnel, and I'll call it Gut Health, just so it's really clear what I'm talking about. Build an audience and then save. Go in there to edit further. And I'm going to continue looking for a really simple page that is just going to make it really easy for somebody to click to get that PDF. So this looks like it's going to be it, but let me just take a quick preview. I like what I'm seeing here with Get Your Free Guide. I can change this image into something about gut health, picture of somebody inside your thing. I'll move these links in the top here. I won't need any additional pages to do this. So that seems like it. I'll just click select, name this gut health, edit page. First thing I'm going to do is change the image here, and I would have gotten a picture from ChatGPT just now that I used for the PDF cover, and it makes sense to do that because click Get Free Guide, and then what they download, it's the first page, so it just connects the dots better. So I'll just choose to upload that image, hit insert. About I change this to #1 best guide on turning your gut. Apparently we do need a text headline and some supporting text, which of course I don't want to figure out on my own. Just ask ChatGPT, provide a text headline. And this is good. The Ultimate Gut Health Checklist, simple daily habits for a stronger something. I think I'm good with the Ultimate Gut Health Checklist. Let's just go with that. So paste that in there. So we don't want that menu, so just press delete. That's the end of that, as well as that logo. I want to make sure that this is functional. And what happens when somebody clicks Get a Free Guide? I want to redirect users after they click Get a Free Guide. Where do we want to redirect them? To the next step. What is the next step really? I'm going to hit Save Changes, come out of there. So the idea, when somebody clicks that button after filling out the email address, it takes them to another page, and this other page is going to be the thank you page, which should be a really straightforward process. I'll just pick this page and then click Edit. This should be simple to type for this thank you page. But we've already started using AI to come up with the content. It doesn't make sense stopping now. So ChatGPT, how about you tell me or give me the information? The thank you page for the PDF download. Saying a viewer note, check the email for the PDF. And there, I just got all the information I need, and I'm going to pretty much just copy most of it. Thanks for your download. Well, we could put this on the top here. This other heading. While we're telling them here to check the email for the PDF, in the meantime, there's this button here. And I don't want this to say contact me because I don't want them to contact me really. I want them to know that this is my #1 recommendation. So come over here and I'll type #1 recommendation, or maybe #1 recommended product. You want to make sure that this says open URL. This doesn't look like a URL, so we need to put an actual URL there. The idea here is that when somebody clicks this link, this number one recommended product, it's actually going to take them to the product page for this. For that to happen, we need to get an affiliate link here. This page here for the product that we looked at on ClickBank. Once I hit generate link, copy this, come back over here and now put in this proper link. And so let's try this out now. So I'll hit save changes. So we have this page now. And so when somebody is notified that they check the inbox, the PDF download link, and they reach the end of this description here, there's this big red button. And when they click it, it takes them over to this affiliate products page where there's everything we need here to sell it, meaning not just the price and the checkout button, but all of this social proof as well of people who actually use this stuff. Of course, there's this lovely bouncing buy now button. And that's pretty much set up, except one thing we forgot to do. And that's to make sure that they get the actual PDF. And I'm going to show this option of delivering the PDF because it is the easiest option. It has the less setup time. It just makes things simple. And what's involved really is just putting a link on this page. I changed up the text here a little bit to say, grab your ultimate gut health checklist here. Well, this would just be text. And to make it a link, I have to highlight it. Click this button here, which can convert it into a link. So we'll need the URL of the PDF, and you can use something simple like Google Drive, uploading the PDF on your free Google Drive account. So I uploaded mine to my Google Drive, pasting the link in here. And this part is really important. We don't want somebody to just have it downloaded right here or replace what is on this page by showing the PDF right here. We want it to open in a new window. So be sure to click that. And the reason for that is that when you open it in a new window, we're still reminding them below about this big red button below, which is this one with the affiliate product. So after we do this, I'll hit save and let's see what this looks like. The entire process, really. So let me come out of here, go back to this gut health, the main funnel page, the first page, hit view funnel. Somebody fills out the email and then hit get a free guide. They're taken to this page, gut health checklist. Grab your ultimate gut health checklist here. And when you click that, it takes us to the PDF that they can download from right here. But this page is also open, where it reminds the viewer to be sure to check out the big red button below. And when they hit that big red button, it takes them to the affiliate page, where they can spend some money and give you the commission that you work so hard for. Well, in this case, which I work so hard for. So once that is set up, the next most important thing is to actually put the link to that web page in the YouTube description of that video I'm talking about. That simple entire process is how I plan on making money on YouTube on this very new channel. And so the only thing that is left to do is to create that video that is going to drive all of those people to click that affiliate link. So in case you haven't so far, have a closer look at how to create that video next.